7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Look at me. Well, today we're going to be talking about the Eufy vacuum robot. It's new on the market. It's just arrived by us in the warehouse. This is going to be a very short video, about 25 minutes of your time. We're going to be discussing what's actually in this box, the contents that you're going to get when you receive your Eufy vacuum robot. So, quickly starting, here is the actual Eufy itself. It is the traditional round shape vacuum robot that's on the market. It has a fantastic colour in blue. It's like a blue-grey type of colour. It's absolutely amazing, to be honest. The way the colour changes in the light is very nice. It has a nice grain in it, and that this design, this type of robot's going to fit to pretty much every modern type of house. The colours are great. So what do you get in the box? In the box you're going to get your charging station. Now remember, with the charging station, if this is going to be your wall here in the apartment, in your house, the charging station, the back of it's going to have to be put up against the back of the wall, just to create some stability for when your robot, the battery starts to run empty and the robot's going to search its way back to your charging station. And it's going to then push onto the charging station, so you're going to need to have a secure platform, a bit of pressure behind your charging station. Remember, to the left and to the right of the charging station around the front, you're going to need about ½ a meter of space. Okay, moving on from the charging station, of course you're going to get your cable, your power cable. This one here comes with a European adapter, but all the robots that actually end up in the UK will have a UK adapter anyway. Also, part of the spares that you're going to get with the Eufy, this Eufy actually comes with, let's take them off here. Okay, actually comes with 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 side brushes, or 2 pairs. So you're going to have a spare pair. Remember, when you get these in the box, they're very easy, absolutely simple to attach onto the robot. Here you have a round shape with a square in the middle. Here you have the area where you're going to attach the side brushes. Literally just place the square over the square and press. And the same on the other side here. That's it. That's done. What else you're going to get? You're going to get a spare filter. Now the filter, if you just look at the back of the robot here, you press this button down here, slide the filter out. This filter takes approximately just over ½ a litre of dust, so it's quite a lot of dust. This is the area, pretty much ½ a litre, or 0.6 of a litre I think it is. If you want to change the filter is located on the top here. Literally just press this button here, pop out the filter, take your new filter from here and place it back in, close it down. That's pretty much it. That's your filter changed. To empty, all you have to do is open it up, shake it out, preferably not in the apartment. Out of the apartment would be good, otherwise you're going to have to run that robot around again, aren't you? So there you go, that's the filter changed. Place back into the robot. You have your side brushes on there. Sometimes you're going to want to change this main brush here. So to take the main brush out, you have 2 little clips. Remove this, and the main brush comes out. Very easy. You can actually replace these. You can buy spares. There's lots of different types available, depending on the robot that you have. So there you go. This design is great if you have some carpet, because the way the brush gets in there when the robot's passing over your very short head carpet or rugs, this type of design is going to really get the dirt out of the rug and the dust out of the rug. Fantastic design. So there we go. That's closed. That's secured. That's pretty much the Eufy. You're also going to get this little device here. It's a pretty cool device. It looks a bit like a comb on one side and a bit like a moustache cleaner on the other side. There you go. A bit of a bottle opener type design here. So in the manual, in this box, you're going to get a manual and it's going to tell you exactly what that's for. It's not really a comb or moustache brush or bottle opener, but you're going to have to figure that out yourself or use it for whatever you want to use it for, but preferably use it for the robot. And then here, finally, you're going to get a remote control. So this remote control here, the design is very similar to the actual Eufy. This Eufy has black around the rim here, and then a silvery white on the top here, and that's the same. It has the black design, the Eufy logo on the bottom. The buttons are covered in white images and letters. You're going to have your auto mode. Yeah, this button here is a picture of a house. When you press that, it's going to actually send the robot back to the charging station so that the robot docks back on its house. Yeah. You're going to have your up, down, left, right buttons, your play and your pause. That's just to control the robot if you want it to move left and right, and for the robot to start its cleaning cycle. And then just below here, you're going to have another 6 buttons. So they're different types. Some of those buttons are different types of a cleaning cycle. So if you want your robot to actually clean a certain area, you're going to press, for example, the spot cleaning mode. So that means that robot is going to focus mainly on one area. So you can guide your robot using the up, down, left, right, and then when it gets to the area that you want it to clean most, you can press your spot cleaning mode and it will clean that particular area. So, but all the information that you're going to need is in here, in the box, in the manual. Okay, so that pretty much rounds it up. It takes about 5 hours to charge this beast, but the reason why it takes like 5 hours to charge this beast, because you're going to get about 100 minutes of cleaning time. So that's a lot of cleaning time. So if you have an apartment, 2 or 3 bedroom apartment, then 100 minutes, that should be enough. So if not, after 100 minutes, it will go back to the charging station, it will recharge itself, and then it'll be ready to go again for another 100 minutes. So there's plenty of battery power in there. It's a fantastic design, very nice looking, very simple. You're going to get all these spare parts with it as well, the filters. It's a fantastic design. So there you go, that's the Eufy.